Our pleasure welcoming you to Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Both time approximately 9:29. Please stay seated as well as securely fastened and carry on stowed to the ground part of the gate, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful to open those bins. 40 injured from lines that shifted during flight. We receive an email from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We value feedback and use responses to continue to improve your travel experience. Invite you to download use Flight Delta app for your future travel needs, including checking for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you're playing, please remember to take a look around your seat. Make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta, especially this Atlanta-based flight crew, we enjoyed having you on board. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you and have a nice night.